how to redeem a Google gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can redeem a Google Play gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to redeem a Google Play gift card, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Google Play Store. Once you launch your Play Store, make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then over here you'll find this option called payments and subscriptions. Make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on payment and subscriptions, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then make sure to tap the redeem code option that you can find here, and then make sure to tap on it. As you tap the redeem code option, just go ahead and then make sure to enter the code here, and once you make sure to enter the code, just tap on the redeem option. Depending upon if your gift card is correct, your gift card will be successfully added to your account. This way you'll be able to basically go ahead and then actually redeem a Google Play gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.